Hey there and welcome. So, this will be a consciousness empowerment episode. The last episode I did was on Neville Goddard's um, The Power of Awareness, Chapter 6, Attention. Okay, Chapter 6, Attention. And at the end of that video, I talked about 4 ways to concentrate, 4 exercises to develop your concentration muscle, okay, or your attention muscle. All right, it's all about helping you focus. See, attention, focus, concentration, these are all different terms to explain how you can concentrate on your wish fulfilled. Okay, now this is the muscle, so you can't just be like, oh, I have this concentration power. You may have it, you may have it though. There could be an off chance that you used different exercises in the past, maybe not for manifesting, but for concentration to help you concentrate. Okay, I had one that I used that Bob Proctor taught me with a dot on the wall. But recently, I read a book called Unstoppable Self Confidence. Author, I forgot his name, but I think it's Andrew Liedman. Don't quote me because I may be wrong. I may be wrong, but I know for sure the title is Unstoppable Self Confidence, and I'm gonna go over this particular exercise because I think it's the best one thus far that I know, and I would like to share this knowledge and this practice upon you. With concentration, that means you are in control of your mind and you're in control of your destiny because you can focus on an imaginal act and assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, thinking from that act, and you would experience it more immensely than when you manifest it in the physical, in nature. Okay. The reason I say that is because the process to your goal is the best part to it. Life is like a roller coaster. The work brings contentment and joy. And when you get to the goal, you're like, oh, that's it? That was it. Okay? And when you visualize it, okay, and it becomes as vivid as nature, okay, all in your mind, as vivid as nature, the lights, the feelings, the smells, everything, you feel that joy, okay, or that relief, whatever that feeling is. It's usually a relief, honestly. Honestly, it's always usually a relief. Because you ask yourself, how would I feel were my wish realized? Okay. And then the feeling comes up and just absorb that feeling. Just feel it in every cell of your being. Okay. But I digress. Let's go on to the exercise. I just had to explain to you why this is fucking important. Okay. When you can do that at will, you're the master of your fate. Okay. Master of your life. This is the master key. Attention. And also, before you move forward, you must want to be ready to learn and ready to manifest the highest version of yourself. Okay. Not fucking negotiating with second place, quote unquote second place. I like to do a car analogy. Why get a fucking Toyota when you could get a fucking nothing wrong about Toyotas. I love Toyotas. When you really want is, let's say, a Ferrari, a Mercedes, or a truck, whatever it is you want. It doesn't have to be something big like that. It could be something, you know, that you really want. What is it that you really want? Okay, when I was incarcerated, I really wanted to go to college. I didn't have no limits. And I say, oh, I'm not smart and have high school education. Da, 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 da. Like, no, it's either that or I'm going to come back to prison and die and be here for the rest of my life if I don't change my thoughts and actions. I think I have a cat hair in here. No, that was an eyelash. Okay. This exercise asks for you to look to your past. Okay. Look to your past and find. Hold on. I don't think I said this, but if you're ready to become the highest version of yourself, you're ready to learn, keep on watching. If not, turn this off right now because you're not going to fucking gain anything from this. All right. So find one of the best moments of your life or one of the most beautiful moments of your life or a conjunction of them because it makes you feel good. And a lot of times we're fucking living miserably and we don't even know it. People don't even know it. They don't know it. They think it's okay to live like that. They think it's okay to live in depression and anger and fear or anxiety or whatever. It's not okay. It is not okay. You're not living. You're not in the present. You're in your thoughts. Perfect analogy is I'm just sitting down right here. Why do I need to worry? I'm just sitting down. I have food. I have everything. And then sometimes thoughts come into my mind of worry. Okay? So when this concentration exercise is done, you're focusing on something good that makes you feel good. And therefore, according to the law of attraction or the law of cause and effect, what you put out, you get back. If you're setting out good thoughts and feelings, you're only going to attract more things that are going to make you feel good. And guess where your goal or the highest version of yourself is at? It's in a vibration that makes you feel good. Okay? Not depressed, not worried, not right here. Because if you stay here forever, you're just going to get stuff like that forever. But you're not, because you're here, you're developing and you're learning. You're going to apply this. Okay? Learn this and apply this. So now you're opening your mind to learning. Now fucking apply it. That's the only way you're going to get to the highest version of yourself, by applying it. So for 15 seconds, think of that. I like to count on my hand. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As I'm visualizing, right? So right now, let's do it fucking together. What's the most beautiful or the best moment of your life? For me, it was one of my baby sister. You may have a child or a cat or a pet. But my baby sister, I would see her sitting on her little dinner chair that's kind of, lifted up a little bit and has a little tray on it that they just connect on it. And so she was there and she was eating, this memory, she was eating one hand, right? And then I go to her, this is one of her favorite songs. It was a show that she used to watch, and it would say, and it would go like this: "It's a big world, it's a big, big world." So I'll be like, "It's a big world," just dancing. And then she'll be like, her hand like this, and on her other hand, she's, eating. So she has her food, she's like, and for me, that's like one of the most beautiful, best moments of my life. Okay. So focus on that image that's the best moment of your life for you, one of the best ones, because I know there's a lot of them. And then close your eyes. And what I like to do is just use my hands. I kind of say in my mind, I'm talking in my mind, it's a big world. And I'm seeing her and I'm using my hands, okay? So now I'm gonna give you 15 seconds to do it. Go. Boom. Done. Did you get to visualize that and feel that for those 15 seconds? Or did your mind start interrupting you? If your mind started interrupting you, it's okay. This is why this is an exercise. All right? This is just like working out, going to the gym. It's only 15 seconds. And then it's also shifting your vibration. And time you're gonna shift your vibration to that. And guess what? You're gonna be living a way better fucking life. That's for sure. So this is the best exercise for your attention muscle. So this video, I'm gonna title it "How to Strengthen Your Focus and Attention." How to strengthen your focus and attention to manifest your dream life. That's what I'm gonna title it. Okay? Make this non-fucking negotiable. I'm successful now because I feel amazing. I don't need all the stuff that I'm manifesting already. I don't need them. I'm unattached. And I always have to go through this process of unattachment. I wake up sometimes, oh, I want more, I need more, blah, 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 blah. I think it's part of our nature because we wake up, we need to drink water, we need to eat, we need to feed this body, we need to work it out. So it kind of, we have to create these rules, these practices. I call them rules. I got that from Wes Watson because when we keep these rules in place and we are disciplined and follow those rules, we create the best fucking life for ourselves. And our best fucking life for ourselves is threefold: being happy, being healthy, and having loving relationships. After that, we build up. We build up and have more money, more cars, more development. Okay. So this practice for me, henceforth, is now non-negotiable. I have another practice that helps me with my attention, and that's meditation, my chakra activation meditation below. People can't get me angry. I might get a little angry a few seconds, but I'm like, go back to my breathing practice, and then I'm present and I'm back. That's the control of my mind. Okay, it's control of my mind, of my tranquility. So it's an emotional control. The practice that I shared with you today is for your attention. For your attention, you're focusing on that moment in your life for 15 seconds. Okay, for 15 seconds. And it works twofold. You're thinking of a beautiful moment that makes you feel amazing. So guess what? You're going to be attracting more amazing things. The meditation, you're just in the present. You're just controlling and you're being calm. Controlling your mind and being calm. Calmness. That's serenity. It's also a positive. We need these types of things when things go awry. Things that happen that are not what we're expecting. A tree falls in front of us or a tree falls on our car. We don't have a car now. We're not gonna get angry, or you might get angry, but you come back. Like, I'm alive, I'm straight. I'm gonna call my insurance, like, hey, this happened. You know, there was a flood, it was raining a lot. Fucking rained 5 days and it took my car. It took my car. So then they're gonna be like, okay, don't worry about it, we got you, you know. But it's going back to being at that calmness of mind. These practices, meditation, strengthening your concentration, your gratitude muscle, this is all strengthening your mind and spirit. These are all mind and spirit exercises that can only take 15 minutes of your fucking day. Only 15 minutes. I set a timer when I wake up, 15 minutes. Gratitude, meditation, just listening to myself. Sometimes I do a little bit more, just listening to my heart, right? And the 15-second exercise, that's nothing. That's nothing. Okay. But you need to apply it over and over and over and over and over again. This is tending to your mind and spirit. It's preparing yourself for the physical world so you can go out there and be great. Be the greatest version of yourself. Okay? When you plant something in your garden, in the soil, plant it, you make sure there's fertilizer, the right fertilizer, you know, water, the right amount of sunshine, right amount of temperature, the right season. You're preparing yourself. Preparation allows for success. If you don't do none of that, guess what? Your plants may not even grow. It might grow just a little sprout, may not even fruit. But when you have everything, you're prepared, success is inevitable. Apply these things and your success is inevitable. Now, this is all about the mind. It's very important. This is very, very, very important. Okay. I'll make another video on how to take action and how to plan on the next one. So I'm going to stop this video and create another one. Now, once you've understand this, you go on to that one. Don't go on to the next one if you don't have not applied this stuff because it's really not going to help. Okay. But for now, thank you for being here. Apply this so you can control your imagination. This is about controlling your concentration, your focus. So when you're imagining, you're creating that great version of yourself, and it will manifest. No doubt, it will manifest. Be patient. Dolores Cannon, she manifested books. It took her 9 years. For me to graduate from school, from the moment I decided to go to school, it took me 5 years because 2 years I was in prison, and 3 years I had to get my AA, and after that, I got my BA. After that, I got my master's degree. So I was in school for about a decade, but it was something I really wanted to do. Now I'm here to help you accomplish your dreams. That was a dream that I manifested. It's a high one. It's a like what we would consider high. It's all the same shit. Manifesting a cup of coffee to manifesting multiple degrees from the best university, University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA. I love you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what's going on with you. I can give you a different perspective. That's why reading books is so good. Watching these types of videos from people who are sharing their success tips and how they see success, because you get a different perspective. I learned something from Gucci Mane's book, Gucci Mane's Great Guide to Greatness. He said, when people don't like you, that's good. They're telling you. There's like 6 million people, right, in the world. I don't know if that's the right number, but if there's 6 million, 6 billion, that's more likely in the billions. 6 billion. That one person, that's they're telling you who they are. They don't like you. They don't fuck with you. So that's fine. You don't have to hate them. You can love them. Now go on to the next 5,900,099,999 people. You know what I mean. All right. So that perspective I never had. So I really like that, and I appreciated that perspective. All right. Until next time. Let me know what's going on with you, so I can help you out. Let's build this community of the consciously empowered, and our level of vibration is going to raise not only ours but those around us and of the world, and we'll be creating a better world. I love you. Until next time, peace.